Have you ever dreamt of effortlessly manifesting wealth into your life? Imagine if I told you that the key to unlocking this financial abundance lies within just 3 words. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, let me share with you my journey of cracking the code to manifesting money using only 3 simple words inspired by the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. In a world where financial stability often feels like an elusive goal, Neville Goddard's timeless wisdom offers a beacon of hope. His profound insights into the power of the human mind and the art of manifestation have transformed countless lives, mine included. And amidst his vast body of work, there exists a hidden gem, a concise yet potent method that holds the potential to revolutionize your relationship with money forever. Join me as I delve into the depths of Neville Goddard's teachings and unravel the mystery behind these 3 transformative words. Together, we'll explore how a shift in perspective and a simple yet profound mantra can pave the way to financial abundance and prosperity beyond imagination. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Let's dive in and discover the incredible power that lies within these 3 words to manifest the wealth and abundance you truly deserve. People should know how to switch their brainwaves to reach their automatic nervous system and start changing it. Are you tired of waiting for your dreams to happen? Well, there's good news. There's a new tool that can help you make your dreams of being rich happen faster. It's called the Billionaire Brainwave Program, and it's already helping many people. This tool activates special brainwaves that bring financial freedom fast and well. Click the link in the first comments below to learn more and get this amazing free tool today. Now, let's talk about the newest research. Countless individuals within the manifestation community diligently engage in various techniques for months, yet sadly, some witness no tangible results. If you're among those facing this challenge, brace yourself for a profound life transformation. Imagine if I shared with you the possibility of manifesting your deepest desires within a mere 3 days. Today, we're delving into the captivating concept of rapid manifestation, drawing inspiration from the teachings of Neville Goddard. Stay with us as we uncover actionable steps to manifest your desires swiftly. This technique operates with astonishing speed and simplicity. Don't overlook the opportunity to revolutionize your life within just 3 days. But before we delve deeper, ensure you're subscribed to our channel for more enlightening content. In recent times, the notion of manifesting desires has garnered global attention, with many seeking expedited ways to transform their dreams into reality and fulfill their deepest desires promptly. The allure of rapid change without excessive effort lies at the heart of manifestation. Neville Goddard's teachings center around the concept of states, representing various states of consciousness, each laden with unique experiences and attributes. According to Goddard, an infinite array of states exists, each brimming with boundless possibilities. He asserts that everything we desire already resides within these states. However, the crux lies in realizing that our desires are not external pursuits, but states of consciousness we must enter, an idea that challenges traditional manifestation approaches. Neville's teachings empower individuals to tap into the transformative potential within, obviating the need for external validation. Now let's explore Neville Goddard's 3-day manifestation technique, which challenges the notion of prolonged manifestation processes, offering a direct approach grounded in understanding our creative prowess. At the core of the 3-day manifestation concept lies the wholehearted immersion in the desired state. According to Goddard, upon achieving this, the universe promptly responds, bridging the gap between imagination and reality within a mere 3 days. Imagination assumes a pivotal role in this process, transcending mere daydreaming to become a potent force for shaping reality. By actively engaging our imagination and experiencing our desires as already fulfilled, we expedite the manifestation journey. To actualize this technique, a perceptual shift regarding time is imperative. Instead of waiting indefinitely for desires to materialize, embracing the belief that they are already within reach becomes crucial. This shift lays the foundation for understanding and implementing Neville Goddard's 3-day manifestation concept. Goddard's philosophy challenges entrenched notions of time, urging individuals to cultivate a deeper awareness that time isn't fixed. By nurturing belief in the attainability of desires and experiencing them in our imagination, we accelerate the manifestation process. The process is deceptively simple yet profoundly potent. It begins with embracing the belief that our desires aren't distant dreams, but existing realities within an alternate state of consciousness. By immersing ourselves in this state and dismissing doubts, we pave the way for immediate manifestation. Neville Goddard underscores the pivotal role of imagination in the manifestation process. He contends that imagination isn't idle daydreaming, but a potent tool capable of shaping reality. Understanding Neville's 2-phase process of creation is indispensable. It starts with conceiving an idea or desire in our minds. When we wholeheartedly believe in the possibility of this idea manifesting, we effectively give birth to it within our minds. The subsequent phase entails bringing your desires into the physical realm, often termed as the 3D world. Once firmly entrenched in your subconscious, your desire begins its journey towards realization. This process operates mostly on autopilot, and before long, you can witness your desires taking tangible form in the physical world, perceivable through your senses. This underscores the pivotal role of belief and faith in materializing your aspirations. Placing trust in your capability to manifest and entering the realm where your desires already exist initiates the creative process. This grasp of how imagination and belief harmonize aids in transcending temporal constraints, facilitating swifter manifestations. Neville Goddard espoused the belief that our innate power of creation lies within us, disavowing external dependencies and championing self-reliance. According to Neville, we are active co-creators of our reality, shaping our experiences rather than passively observing them. This co-creative role serves as a cornerstone of Neville's philosophy, propelling rapid manifestation. Viewing time as a mutable illusion is fundamental to this shift in perspective. Recognizing time's pliability frees us from its shackles. Neville encourages us to entertain the notion that our desires can materialize within a shorter time frame, even as brief as 3 days. This aligns with his theory of the universe's swift response. Rather than awaiting protracted periods, fostering the belief that our desires are within immediate reach accelerates the manifestation process. Now that we've grasped the concept of 3-day manifestation and the potency of imagination, let's explore practical applications. Commencing the manifestation journey demands clarity regarding our desires. Whether it's financial prosperity, fulfilling relationships, robust health, or any other goal, articulating our desires with precision facilitates focused imagination. Embracing the concept of time's flexibility is paramount. Instead of assuming prolonged manifestation periods, believing in rapid realization is pivotal. Dedicate moments in your daily routine to immerse yourself in the state where your desires have already materialized. This isn't idle reverie. It's an active engagement of your imagination to experience the reality of your aspirations. Consistently revisiting your desires and imagined states reinforces the manifestation process. Despite doubts and limiting beliefs, redirect your focus to your desires and maintain unwavering belief in their reality. Though the 3-day concept promises swift manifestation, patience, trust, and faith in the power of imagination remain indispensable. While much of the work unfolds within our minds, taking inspired action is crucial. Seizing opportunities aligned with our desires and trusting our instincts accelerates the manifestation journey. Neville Goddard's approach simplifies manifestation, emphasizing belief in the fulfillment of our desires over complex rituals or techniques. Living as though our desires have already manifested reinforces our belief and expedites manifestation. Documenting signs, synchronicities, or positive changes bolsters our belief and sustains motivation. Remembering that our desires are not distant dreams but existing realities in alternate states of consciousness accelerates manifestation. Trusting in the malleability of time and the imminent fulfillment of our desires, even within 3 days, empowers us to manifest effectively. Imagine the possibility of effortlessly manifesting wealth into your life with just 3 simple words. Intriguing, isn't it? My journey of cracking the code to manifesting money using only 3 words, inspired by Neville Goddard's profound teachings, has been transformative, and I'm excited to share it with you. In a world where financial stability can often seem like an elusive goal, Neville Goddard's timeless wisdom offers a beacon of hope. His insights into the power of the human mind and the art of manifestation have transformed countless lives, including mine. And within his vast body of work lies a hidden gem, a concise yet potent method that has the potential to revolutionize your relationship with money forever. Join me as we delve into the depths of Neville Goddard's teachings and unravel the mystery behind these 3 transformative words. Together, we'll explore how a simple shift in perspective and a profound mantra can pave the way to financial abundance and prosperity beyond imagination. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey with me? Let's dive in and discover the incredible power that lies within these 3 words to manifest the wealth and abundance you truly deserve. And remember, if you're tired of waiting for your dreams to happen, there's good news. Check out the Billionaire Brainwave Program, a new tool that activates special brainwaves to bring financial freedom fast. Click the link in the first comments below to learn more and get this amazing free tool today. Now, let's talk about the latest research.